Yeah, words are in tongue now, so I should split now immediately. Otherwise, I'll forget.
Okay, okay.
So according to me, health is important. Health is wealth. So we are here because of health. So here we are here because of health. See this pandemic situation, we are survived because of this COVID and
Devi
many other
bhai,
situations.
Sneha is also here, so please be careful.
Okay, at
If
least
you are going to
otherwise she
speak
will.
in front of health,
Yeah, that's
okay.
why that's okay. Yeah. So so health is more important than anything else because as I told, so the health is society. Because of health only we can see if, money we can buy anything, but what about the health? So when we are suffering for any ailment or any health disease, we should approach on the hospital every day. But where we have peace, in the end of the day, we want the enjoyment in our life, fun. So we want to go trekking, we want to go here and we want to go swimming. So if health is not good, we see I can eat sweets, at least any amount of sweets, but think about the person who is having the diabetes. They cannot eat sweet, they cannot enjoy their happy moment, they cannot enjoy their the life with the fullest. So they're having some restrictions. I cannot do that, I cannot eat this. This the corona situation, everybody will say that keep healthy, keep immunity as well. So many people who are suffering other diseases, they're affected badly, and then most people are died also. So definitely that's why health is important. Wealth or money is evil, that divide the families, that create the problem in all each and every family. If we are behind the money, definitely we cannot to end of our life with the happily. So money will come automatically when we have health, and when we are focusing on something good in our way, then definitely the wealth is come
Uh,
automatically. And money
but
we
Devi,
cannot.
let
One minute,
I'm
Shailesh
interrupting
bhai.
you. See, Devi,
Yeah, I
there
will
are three
complete.
topics now.
Yeah, I will complete. So then you can reply. So one last point, that's it. So if I cannot earn money today, I can earn money tomorrow. But if I lost my health today itself, what is, we cannot see the tomorrows or tomorrows. So that's what I wanted to say. Yes, Shailesh bhai.
Yeah, I was speaking that there are three topics now. Values is also added. So,
Okay.
according to you, values
Yeah.
is also very less.
Yes, the values also I'm ignored just a moment. So I'm compared with the health and wealth. So health is more important. Even value also it will come the second. So health is more important. So according to my point of view, yeah,
Uh, I want to ask you a question. What do you mean by values?
the moral values, right? The respecting each other's. That's what you're saying.
So,
Yeah, that
according to you, that is not important.
no, that is also, you see, money also important. We cannot say that everything is important. I need everything at a moment. So first priority, what? Health. Second priority, wealth. Then third priority is values. So priority will goes like this. That is also
Yeah.
important.
Okay.
Like for, see, I need finger and I need leg also. Both are important. But what is the priority?
Uh, okay, Devi. But actually, I have some different
Okay.
ideologies. According to me, values are the most important thing because and after health and wealth. Because I want to tell you one example. See, in the life of Swami Vivekananda, uh, once a situation came that he has to go through a very typical kind of you can say it surgery or whatever. He had to be operated. Then he told that he will he is available for the operation, but he put a condition that you will not gonna you will not gonna, what can I say, uh, behosh to him, and you will do the operation just in his current situation. And he told that, okay, tell me any kind of book, I will read the book, and you are allowed to do the operation with my body. So he read a book, and he did not he forgot each and every kind of pain at that time, and operation was very successful. And see, right now the doctors cannot even think um, uh, without making any person just behosh, and they cannot do operation like this. But Swami Vivekananda was able to do like this. Why? Just because according to him, his health was not so much priority. And if health was not so much priority for him, then I think wealth, money was also not so much priority for him. And if it are not so much priority, then what was the priority? Priority for him was values. Because due to values, due to moral values only, means to say, he gave respect to many person. He had generated his more honest values. He was very great person due to values only. And that's why, that is the reason that he was capable to concentrate his mind in such a level that he forgets the pain, he forgets the health. And that's why I'm saying values are most important.
Okay, so Amit bhai, Sonakshi, Abhishek, Sneha, anybody? Actually, I am totally agree with Devi bhai, so I am not going to speak more on this topic because we have talked a lot during the evening time. So you can speak. But I am totally agree with Devi bhai. First one is health, second is wealth. Then we can talk about values.
All right. Again, okay, just I have a question for Mr. Sales that it is an extreme case, very, very extreme case.
Hmm.
Just give an example of second Vivekanand. We are people more than 7 or 8 billion people in all over the world, and we have people around 1.5 billion, uh,
Hmm.
1.35 billion people in our India. Just give me second example of any Vivekanand.
Hmm. Arey, there are much more people actually. There were some kind of sant also, they
No,
did
just
the
I'm
same. I don't.
asking. Just I'm asking in terms of health and values. I'm not here to consider to the part of wealth. We also know there are so many monk and people who are living without wealth.
Hmm.
Sometime in Himalayas and sometime in so many places, also in monastery. But they are living and definitely not exactly without money. Indirectly, they have paid. They have paid through societies, the people who are making money. So they paid to them and they give their virtues values to other people. But the
Uh,
word that you have used, health, it is not a more concern. So how it is possible? But just take a simple example of a poor people or ordinary people. If we are
hmm.
not gonna eat more than 3 days, what will happen? We can do it
Hmm.
one time, not all the time or all the year. If we can survive one time for entire week, but what will happen if we are doing it again and again? We will die. No matter which person you are or how much intellectually you are.
Hmm.
I'm not going to comment on Vivekanand just because we know about Vivekanand. He has gained something better than us and something much more that even we can't I mean we can't understand sometimes just because we haven't experienced.
Hmm.
But even if he will do again and again, one time he did, it's okay. One time you can also survive in Registan or maybe I mean the desert, and also in so many places where if you are hungry, you can live for more than 3 4 days. Sometimes there are so much severe conditions we live, and sometimes we have also disease. Then we can survive, but it's not going to happen again and again. So I think we can't deny the fact that just because of definitely so many people are there, when it comes about values, they prefer values. But what about health? I think then health become more important. One and two time it is easy for any people to just okay go for values and health. But if you have to repeat, the health, that is not a one time, it is repetitive process that you have to keep entire your life. You have to live, if you have to live more than 60 or 65 years and an average, then I think we have to consider about our health. Otherwise, then we can do anything, and then we know the consequences of that. So, in terms of that, what do you think, Salas, Mr. Salas?
Dhruv bhai, you have
Yes,
asked.
Dhruv,
Yes.
yes, on this particular point, I am. uh, yes, on this particular point, I am agree that I have taken the example of an extreme case. Extremely, it is true. And see, we have talked. Um, if I have to give marks on the basis of 10, then to have taken the example of 10 on 10. That is an ideal case, and we should have to be like this. Yes, it is
Yeah.
okay. And if we are taking it generally, means generally right now, what are the situations? Then. Uh, if we compare with health, wealth, and values, then yeah, it is true in nowadays that health is very important for any person. If any person has much more kind of money, then and but their health will be not okay, then if the person is a lot of, you can say, a conjuice, then also he will spend his money on his health, because health is very important for him. But I think still, values are that that makes a person, um, because see, we have seen a lot of much more examples, like our freedom warriors, and they,
Mhm.
yes, they considered health a lot for them, but values were at first point them for them, because and money was no priority for them. Values was very first. So there are many much more examples for the person for whom values are much leading at the highest case.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
let's just, I
But I
want to
think
Okay.
it's
say
still
one
a good.
only one thing.
Mhm.
I think everything is
Yeah.
just related to health.
Hmm.
Suppose someone is dying from cancer and you are talking about values. I don't think that people is going to
Hmm.
tell more about values because he is
Hmm.
dying. This is also a case. So I think everything is just related with health. If you are healthy, your mental health is good, your physical health is good, then you can do anything. Also, you can think about wealth. Also, you can think about moral values.
Hmm.
But if you are not in a good health, I don't think you are going to think
Hmm.
about wealth and some moral values. This is only
Yeah.
my perspective. And evening, I have also spoken very much about this point. So we have Sneha and Om and Abhishek. So Sneha, you can speak now because you are in favor of wealth. So you have to justify your point here because here we are 10 members. So please, Sneha. Sneha, Abhishek, Om.
So, audible or like to speak if my
You
voice
are
is not
audible.
breaking.
Okay,
Not
okay.
audible.
I'm audible.
Okay, so Abhishek, if you want to speak, then you can
Hello.
speak because voice of Sneha is breaking so
Yeah,
much and we are not able to hear clearly.
yeah. Hello.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
Abhishek.
Hello. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hello, everyone. According to me, what I think is health is more important. But I would also like to, share my point on values. If you see an army officers who are there in, border in LOCs, in our, Indian army officers. So according to them, according to their, values are more important because if they, look their health because of fear of, that guns or they, for their health, but they still, they still fight for, for their country because of its value. It's all upon its value that people, that army, they stay there to fought for our country, to fought, to save us. And that's what I, that is a value. What I mean to say, that everyone should, if and every person must have their value,
Actually,
that
Abhishek, I don't think that is value. That is their
Duty.
responsibility,
Yeah.
their
Duty.
duty.
Exactly.
They
That
perform
is
this
duty.
duty. That is not moral value, something like that. Because
Yeah.
I am teacher, then my duty is to teach student, and this is not related to moral values. When you are talking about army personnel, so their duty is to fight and to save our country from the enemies. So that is their responsibility and duty also. I don't think that is related to moral value. So Amit Bhai, Sonakshi, please.
Yes, yes. Okay. Actually,
So,
what I want to say here, see, if we want to compare the health and wealth, so obviously we will prefer to the health, because if you don't have the health, good health, then what is the value of the money? Money would be a nothing. Okay, it would be the useless. So as a common man, okay, we have the one particular cycle. Cycle means, okay, on the particular age you will have to finish your degree, then you will have to get a
Yeah.
job. Once get, then you will have to get the married.
According to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
uh, yes, yes, you'll have to get married, then have the children, then after you'll have to enjoy your 40 plus, then after just save the some monies for backup,
Money.
then after just wait for your retirement. After retirement you will think, during that period after 40 or 50, you will think you will not be affected, particularly, there are the two type of the disease means that one is that the BP, and second is the sugar. So mostly this type of a two disease, the every common man will have. So they will try to avoid, and then they should work out work out, means they should not get infected, or they should not get infected, or this such a diseases also. Okay. And after, everyone, you know that means once you will cross your 60, 65 or 70, so you will pray to God that, okay, the whatever the date I will kill, it should be so simple. It should not be a means the date should not be the burden on someone. For example, on your the child. Okay, because unnecessary, if you are in ICU, and then again you'll have to, whatever the money you have earned, okay, that unnecessary, it will be the waste. So it is just the simple cycle for the every common man. But mostly what now, see, this is the cycle, but during this cycle, what we have to save first is the wealth. Okay, sorry, health. If you do not have wealth, if you are not enough strong, or if you do not have the good health, then what is the use of money, right? Ultimately, I told you that
Yeah.
you are going to save a money, so you should save a money in such a way that if it is a necessary, then you should be capable to use that money which you have saved for your health. It's important. So I will also give the importance of the money also. Okay, because see, if you do not have the money, then what is the use of that, right? So you should earn the money, but there are the two ways of the earning the money. One is the bad way, another is the good way. So always try to earn the money in a good way. Okay, do not cheat anyone, and
Yeah.
do not cheat one, and always take care. And see, now this is the, see, as a younger now, I could see that he, there are some guys, or even some guys, okay, they do that, the building, bodybuilding, they do exercise, yoga, pranayam, so many things they will do. So see, what I feel that every day we should give that our half an hour or 50, minimum half an hour, so that the until your death you will be the good strong. That I feel that you will not be like there will be the back pain, then this pain, that pain. So to avoid such a thing, you should start do some exercise, then do cycling, running, swimming. So these are the, you'll have to, you should adapt it, and then only you can save those money which going to waste when you will become the older. So try to avoid that. So considering the future your health, you should save such a money. You should buy the insurance policy. Suppose something goes wrong, then that policy, that money will get your the spouse also. So in such a way we should consider that, but give the priority of your health. That's it from my end.
Yeah.
suppose you were Chandrasekhar Azad, then what will be the priority for you? Because we have seen that he did not give priority for his health, and that's why he just shoot himself on the for the country, and
Actually,
that
Sailesh
means
Bhai, you
it
are
was its
talking,
moral value.
beyond the topic, because when you are going to talk about Bhagat Singh, because they are patriotic and they have decided they have to die for the country. They were not thinking about their health and wealth, something like that. That time were only thinking about their country. So you are taking example,
Exactly. And
some
it
beside the
has,
topic.
and I think it has nothing to do. It has nothing to do with health. We don't know, even if you will go and read the biography of Bhagat Singh or Chandrasekhar Azad, we will find they might have done something every single day. They have got up early in the morning at 5 or 4 p.m. They used to do exercise, yoga, meditation. They already did. But when the time comes of their values, then they have sold. And also, just I want to differentiate between the values, and also we are comparing it with health. I think there is no comparison between health and values. Why? Just because health is every single day. You have to work on your health every single day. But values, it comes rarely. I mean, you have to sow. Just I'm going to give an example, like Mr. Abhishek has given example of army people. Whatever they are doing on a border, it is their duty, and we know they are more and more healthier than ordinary people. They are working so much on their diet, their exercise. They are getting up early in the morning, maybe sometime before 4 a.m., 3 a.m., so they can tough their body, so they can survive in even tough situations. So definitely nothing can be better than for them at that moment if they don't have a good health. There are glaciers, there are and also temperature is sometimes below 10 degrees, 15 degrees. So how they can survive? If you will send ordinary people, they will die. So what happens then? Definitely they are working a lot in their health. And now, what is values actually? So whatever they are doing, fighting for their countries, it is their duty. It has already mentioned in their form or everywhere that if they are going to do job there, they have to do it. Okay, but the values are, if some terrorists are coming, they are contacting to that army person, and then somehow we see in movies what happens. Sometimes they deal with terrorists. Sometimes they are ready to sell their countries or some information that they actually have. So at that time, if they are showing their guts, their values, it is a part of values. If someone is not showing you, also just take a simple example of normal life. We are walking on road, someone's phone or money has just fallen down, and we are seeing that that person is owner of that money or that phone. So now it's our own values at that particular moment that we are going to steal that money or just kept in our pocket, or we have to tell that person, oh, man or ma'am or sir, this is your money, or the wallet that have been fallen, that fall. So you have to keep it. So I think in this point we have to show our values. So values, and also today I have seen the news. That the ED and CFO and ED of the Yes Bank, they have been arrested in the case of money laundering. So what happened? Then it comes about the values. Just because they have just violated some laws, and now they got arrested. So I think when someone is not seeing you and watching you, so then if you are showing that willingness to do something right, that you think right, we all know what is right and what is wrong, then it all comes under the values. And values we don't have to say every single day. Chandrasekhar Azad, he shot himself just one time in his entire life, and it has come, I think, after 20 or 18 years. It hasn't come every single day. He is just standing and trying to shoot or thinking, just because he has not choice at that particular moment. So he has also committed something for their country. And also it happens in the case of every single great people, that values come sometime that we have to show. But health is something that is we have to take care every single day. And in nowadays, no doubt, if we are young people, definitely we run too much towards money. It is true, irrespective of caring our health. Just because in young, I mean, just if we are between 20 to 30, we consider something. I mean, money is more and more important, whether we accept or not. And we work a lot more than 18 hours, sometimes 20 hours, 15 hours, without caring our health. But at the same time, so many boys and also people are there who are doing yoga exercise. They are doing meditation just because they know the importance of that. They are not minimizing their working hours. They are not minimizing how they are putting their body in the work. but they know if they will do yoga, they will keep their body healthy, so they can work more efficiently. If we are taking 10 hours, so maybe they will do the same work in 5 hours. So it is also important that to take care of your health, so your brain and body is working properly. So then I think health is more important, and there is no comparison between health and values. Values sometimes you have to show. It comes from inside you.
Okay,
The
thank you,
person you
Bhai.
are.
Sir, am I audible?
So Sonakshi and Om, please, if you want to speak something, then you can speak. We have 9 minutes. Yes, Om.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, Sonakshi, if you
Here
want.
network issue.
Okay, Sonakshi.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Yes, sir. Actually, according to me, I am also going with firstly health, and because if I am healthy, then I do everything. Because when I am not healthy, then everyone anyone not think about the values, and even about we can't earn money if I am everyone not healthy. So according to me, I am also goes first with health and then other things. And like,
Okay, so
hello.
yes.
Sir. No, sir.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm done.
Yes, Om. I think there is a network problem, Om, and with Sneha side also, there is also network problem. Sneha is also unable to speak. So we are moving towards Devi Bhai again, and this is time to conclusion. So Devi Bhai, please, at least you have listened all the views. So give your point. Then we move towards Amit Bhai and Dhruv Bhai.
For
Okay.
I think Sneha will protest
Unmute
here only.
yourself.
Yes.
Sneha, unmute yourself.
yeah.
So
All right. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Oh, thank God. Okay. So finally, wealth is the most important thing that which helps us to maintain our health, right? What is the importance of wealth? Now, if I would say in respect of health is just a paramount, I would say, to sustain an enjoyable and long-term, but wealth is the major supporter for the optimal health, because wealth gives you financial freedom to make healthy choices, right? And maintain your living healthily and fitness resources. And also there's a quote by Ralph Waldo that the first wealth is if you go out, even if you go out to buy something which will benefit you, some food, some healthy food to stay healthy, to go in the yoga center to stay healthy, to go in the gym so that you can exercise and make healthy, all you need is wealth, only wealth. Otherwise your life will be hell, I think. So anyways, so according to me, wealth is the most important thing, which and also Amit sir has mentioned, when people grow old, the major disease that like the most of the common diseases are BP and sugar. So to maintain, like, to for that treatment, to maintain that also, you need wealth. So ultimately, wealth is the main source of maintaining health. So how can I avoid this source and just skip to health? Right. So according to me, wealth is the most important thing.
But
That's it.
Sneha, you already said
Hello.
ultimately what we are doing for health. Because if I am going to spend money, that is also I'm
So
spending
what?
for this,
That I
keeping myself health. Means everything is
that I
related to
say
health.
that
Yes.
yeah, but wealth, like the wealth is the source to maintain your health, right? So how can I skip the wealth part and directly go to health? Because wealth helps you in maintaining that. Yeah, for wealth is important, like necessary for maintaining the health. Of course, we are expending our money to maintain our health, but how can I skip the source without which I will not be able to maintain my health, my healthy body?
Hmm.
So
Go to government
I think
hospitals.
that's important.
Hello, Sneha.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay, so
Sneha,
government hospitals.
Actually, what you
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
at that particular
Sonakshi,
places.
actually, okay, you are saying like wealth is important. I understand your point, but any healthy person if any person are healthy, then he do anything for to getting the money. And I think if you are not healthy, then what you can do for earning money? I understand your point, because without money we can't do anything. But if anyone not healthy, then also do not nothing. He is nothing without health.
Okay, Sneha, please give the answer.
And also one question
So
from my side to Miss Neha, that the example that you have given, that is not, I think I can't convince from your example. You have given an example for gym and yoga center that you can do at your home. Even just simple walking, speedily walking, that can give you a good health. Then you don't need to give or pay money.
nowadays,
many poor people-
okay, go on.
Also
Right.
for diet, also for diet, if you are going to take some raw foods or vegetables that you can easily grow at your, I mean, any place, and it is also not so expensive. So in that term, I'm not agree. Another part, no doubt, wealth is very, very important. But the point that you made about the yoga gym center and also the food that we are taking, for that, I think we don't need to depend too much on the wealth. Yeah, definitely on wealth. We can do it even at our home. You don't need to go outside. And also, so many wealthier people are more, the example that you have given about the disease, they are more unhealthy than the poorer people in terms of health. They have only stress. Poor people have stress, and also more stress are wealthier people.
Very big.
So
All
One question,
right.
one
So
question
if
from my
you're
side
talking,
also.
okay,
I
go
want to
on, go
ask
on.
you, Sneha,
Okay,
my question is,
Celeste, please join this meeting again. Okay, please join this again. Then you can ask question, because we have no time for this meeting. So you can join
okay,
again.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
But Sneha, you also join.
Okay.
Miss Sneha, you
Yeah,
also
yeah. Sure.
Metropolitan, right? And in urban area, you can say. But what about the rural area? There are, there are the people are living, okay, and they will consider based on that health, right? They are surviving. I feel that they never, hardly they go to the doctor.
Yes.
Why
they
they
go,
don't
but a very like not a severe condition like for cancer and for too much BPs and diabetes. They have, but in a very less amount. So sometimes they have fever like that, not extreme diseases like so many rich people have, just because they haven't maintained their health in terms of eating food and stress. Also, this is
now,
also one of the cause.
yes, and now take an example of the people who live be near to that every that corner, you know, they
Mhm.
beg
Yeah.
they beg also, right?
Yeah.
So we
Exactly.
have the such type of the people in our country,
Yeah.
but mostly the health is important, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Suppose take an example of that the Ambani now. Suppose
Mhm.
he has the money, right? Means he is the now the sixth richest person in the world. Okay, but for take an example, he doesn't have that wealth. Then how can how he can run the show, right? How
Yeah.
the ideas will come, right? So ultimately, you know, ideas. See, I have the lot of money, but my health is not the well, and ultimately the health. You see, the mind works based on the our health, right? If I have the good
Exactly.
health, then obviously my mind will be the superior. I will get a lot of ideas. I will be a free of mind. Okay, I will you know, and then I will try to
Yeah.
execute those ideas. Will try to earn the money lot. But
More and more.
what else? I don't have the I do not have the proper health. Ultimately, you know, it's going to impact on your brain. It's going to
Yeah.
impact on your thoughts, what you are thinking. So ultimately it's pressurizes your mind, and then it will be the
How
useless
can we
whatever
work?
the money you have. Okay, right. So you'll have to
Yeah.
satisfy it, right? What you are going to earn it. We have the boundaries, we have the limit. Okay, there are the some guys who cross the boundaries also. It's not like there is the example. See, the who swims opposite to river. Okay, suppose if you want to become the extraordinary in your life, you'll have to swim opposite the river. Okay, opposite the river means then you will be recognized all over the world then, right? But we are the common people. I already told you that the cycle, once we take a birth, then the cycle will be the repeated. But if you want to become something god, right? You will, suppose if you are thinking, you will be recognized forever, even after you leave this world. You will be recognized. Then you'll have to put such example also, because our you know our aims is like okay, I told you 2 BHK, then one small car, and 1 or 2, 3, 4 foreign tours. Then after
Yeah.
once you become what and just see the wedding of your the children. Okay, that's it. Okay,
Exactly.
after seeing the wedding of my son, that enough. Then after that, I don't mind what will happen with my like that. That is our thinking. Okay, that is our mindset.
So I was about to ask to Sneha, as she has joined now,
Yes.
that if according to her, wealth is so much important, then take an example of 30 crore Indian people who are living below a poverty line, means they are poor. So they also do their work, and if they are also living, they also die a normal life without any kind of health problem. So whenever they got any kind of disease, or whenever they get
Yeah.
ill, they just go to the government hospital for their free checkup or free totally free ilaj. So this is where we can use the money in this particular case. They have no money, but still their health is good. They maintain it without money. So according to this logic, I think wealth is more important than sorry, health is more important than wealth.
And also,
Yeah.
I think you can take example of
सच पहले
people who are
निकल गया
living
था.
in village. Who are living in village. Also, you can take example of those person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I
Hello.
say?
Neha.
Yes, yes, Sneha, speak. You are audible.
All right, all right. So, if I would say that poor people can go in the government hospital for totally free, so I can also say this, that government hospitals do not provide mm, uh, actually so many facilities, and actually there are many treatments which are not done in the government hospitals too. So for example, if someone gets ill in a serious condition, like my uncle had sugar, with like a high level of sugar, like which was extreme. So doctor suggested that he would have to go in the Vellore for his treatment. So if now any poor people also have that kind of disease, and the doctor says that okay, government hospital do not have that facility of giving you that kind of treatment, you have to go somewhere else to get that treatment, like Vellore and all, which are renowned place for having better treatment. So how can they go without their wealth? They
It
will
is
not
not
be
a
able
general
to
condition.
take that treatment. It's a general
Yes,
condition. Why not? If suppose a okay, go on, go on.
because 80 out of 100 people, if you take it generally, 80 out of 100 poor people does not face this kind of problem. So why should we
Exactly.
consider this?
Yeah, more than 90% people, and the reason
See,
is only one.
okay,
The more than 90% people,
Yes.
reason diabetes is all about your food that you are taking, that you have purchased through money and you are in taking your body. If you will go towards doctor and he will just, the best part, the most important and foremost thing he will tell you, just maintain your diet. Automatic your sugar level will be low.
I think
Sneha,
I think rich people have more problem compared to poor people in terms of disease, something like that. Because
Diabetes, exactly. It's
when you're talking
Yeah,
about
right.
cancer, something like
food
that,
that we
they
are
have
taking.
a lot of problem. Yes, Sonakshi.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to say, like,
okay.
Sneha, we not say like wealth is not important. We say wealth is important, but we give the most priority to our health, because if we are healthy, then we do
Yeah,
anything.
I'm also not saying health is not important. I'm saying health is important, but wealth is more important.
Yeah, here our thought is different, because
Okay.
if I give an example, like yeah,
That's why it is called debate, because everybody have
yeah.
their yes.
Sir, I want to I actually answer the question of Sally's brother, because he says that like value is most important. But I give an example, like if anyone just lay on her health is not good, like he's on our bed, and any their like grandparents or anyone, their relatives come, and if he are not healthy and just like he not stand up and not sit up, their values is say to like when our grandparents or anyone comes, then when तो हम क्या करते हैं, like just पैर छूते हैं, तो इस टाइप का अगर just like वो if he not healthy, then there is no
See,
value, because
okay, Sonakshi, I clear your doubt, because if someone is patient, then no one
yeah,
wants that he will speak up and touch their feet. Oh, no one even allow them. They all said that you are patient, you should have to take rest. And
yeah,
I want
Okay.
to ask, okay, I want to ask one more question to you now, that
okay,
suppose there is a thief, and what is our strategy? We want that he should not become a thief anymore. Okay, then if then will we say him that money is more important than values? Then he will think
no,
that okay, I will do the thief profession again, so for money, and I will lost my values. It is true.
no, actually there is a situation is different.
Okay, guys. We have a complaint about this debate. Why you are taking situation? Just talk general. No, because everybody is just trying to justify their view by considering some situation. So please just talk general. What should be?
See, already I've given an example. Na? Suppose if you're not healthy means your mind is totally disturbed, and you have the lot of money. Okay, like ocean. What is the use of that money then?
Yeah. And
Yeah,
also
right,
sometimes it
sir.
depends totally
Uh,
person. I mean, individual person. Just you have given example of Ambani, so they don't care about the money. Actually, they care in terms of their business and all those things. But I think for them, there are also at the same time so many things which are important. If we will talk about the poor people, definitely they will prefer money than something else. They have good health.
Now
At the same time, they have good health.
now take an example of the Sushant Singh Rajput. He had the
Yeah.
enough money, okay, but he
Enough money.
was mentally disturbed. Okay, what is the use of having a money, so much
No,
money?
that's not the news.
No, okay, but yeah, just consider, for example, just consider, I am not
Or Irfan Khan. Yeah, Irfan
Irfan
Khan.
Khan, okay, yes,
He's just 52 years old. And
yeah.
see Akshay Kumar. He's,
Akshay Kumar.
yeah, he's 55-year-old. Anil Kapoor. They,
Anil
Anil Kapoor,
Kapoor.
yeah,
exactly.
Example of Amitabh Bachchan.
yeah, correct.
Yes, correct. Even now, see, now
If, let's
now,
talk about
now,
Amitabh Bachchan's case. All right. If you
no,
guys have, told that Amitabh Bachchan. All right, say, go on.
No, actually, I want to add one Dilip Kumar example. I was just waiting for when he will die. Now he crossed 100 now. So see, he has a lot of money, but he doesn't have the goodwill. Okay, and he's just praying for the God that he could please come and send someone that you are, and then take me away from this world. But still he's on the bed. I don't know how many days he will be there. But ultimately he's suffering. Okay, because he has the money, but mentally he's suffering.
All right. So
now
let's take the example of Amitabh Bachchan again. All right. So if I would add many crores and crores of poor people have like COVID has taken away lives of so many people, but you see Amitabh Bachchan, you see and all the other celebrities, right, including singer and all. So sorry for the disturbance. Anyways.
Yes. So because of because he was mentally mentally he was strong that COVID could not do anything for him. That's why he survived. He doesn't survive because of the money. Okay, he survived because of his health.
Because of the money.
He
So many ordinary
the
people. So many ordinary people, even they haven't gone to hospital, they have survived. So many example in Delhi, you can see they have stopped taking to the entry of COVID-19 patients. They told you have to stay at your home for more than 14 or 15 days. So they have recovered automatically. At the same time,
I think
it's
totally depend upon their health and immunity system, nothing else. Because there are many people who have just died to their.
But if you have COVID, you have to buy the medicines, right? Where you will get that medicine from without having any money? Tell me.
It is not necessary. No, it is not necessary. Only you'll have to do. You'll have to isolate yourself from then, and then your body will recover automatically.
Only the youth has that kind of immunity power, and not the old and children, because they are the most affected. And children are the most affected persons due to COVID-19. So youth can handle that immunity. They have that power. But where will the old and children, like, what will they do? They will die if they don't get the medicines, proper treatment.
That's why there was a lockdown, so older people can stay at their home and they don't need to go outside, so they are not getting affected.
No, I would like to say that ₹1,000,000 for COVID, simple vitamins, medicine for their, for being cured of COVID, because there is no medicine of COVID, only vitamins are there, or some nutrients are there for being cured. So it doesn't mean that you are
for buying that also you have to buy that with medicine. You cannot take it for free, and nobody will give you for free.
Exactly what I'm saying, that if a person is poor, it doesn't mean he don't have 4,000 or 5,000 rupees with him, isn't it?
Who
Poor,
told you
every you know
there are many roadside beggars? Do you know each and every person's situation, financial condition? You don't know, na? In whole India, there are so many people, beggars who are poor, who are sitting in the roadside. They can't get the food, like to eat, feed themselves 2 times at least in a day. So
Okay, actually, I am very much happy that this is not physical debate. Otherwise, we start fighting to each other. Okay, so, okay, well, I think Sneha, you should conclude this topic. Sneha and Devi Bhai, okay, just conclude.
I
because
would give this golden opportunity back to you, Pradeep sir.
Actually, I'm not going to speak because in evening time, I have already spoke very much about this topic and nobody was happy with my statement. That's why I have decided I am not going to say anything, but I am in favor of health. Okay, so Devi Bhai, you can conclude.
No, I let others to conclude. Dhruv, you can take.
Yes, after 7 days, Dhruv Bhai has
Yeah.
joined this debate.
Yeah, correct. It's privilege I'm giving only for today. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Don't worry, we have 22 minutes, so you can speak. We have no
Oh.
problem.
That is not sufficient for him.
No, it is. It is more than sufficient for me.
Okay.
See, through. Before conclusion, so I want to add one thing. I want to add my opinion. See, what is the ultimate aim of our life? To get peace of mind. We all of us want peace of mind 24/7. Okay, we get ill generally 10 times, 20 times per year. We get money and sometimes we not get money. But we all ultimate want is 24/7 peace of mind. And see, if peace of mind would come from money, then Sushant Singh Rajput would never get suicide. If peace of mind would come from health, then Divya Bharti, who was very healthy, would not die. Or you can take any kinds of example who are healthy, they won't die at early ages. So what is the thing come? I think the thing come is only values. If you have very good values, if you are earning money, if you are very honest from your side, from morning 7 a.m. to up to the job end 3 p.m. or 4 p.m., then only you will get a very sound sleep, peace of mind at night and sleep. This is only because of, I think, value. Money and the second thing, health, where are they come in this particular thing? So I think if peace of mind is our ultimate aim, and if our values are good, then money and wealth, health and wealth does not matter.
Okay, I want Mr. Celeste to also add one more point. How anyone can get more and more values or right values or the values that is going to help them in their life. How they can do it? Definitely, it's not going to happen in
No,
one single day. They have born and they have. You have given example of so many people. Chandrasekhar, he has spent his entire 20 or maybe 22-year life. Then he somehow created such kind of values. I'm going to die for my country. So how anyone can create values?
Yes, value as can never be created by money or by health. They are just come by you can say a type of honestly. These are
Taught
just
from home, giving a good education. I think that's how values
exactly,
spread.
yes, it is true. By good
So many
education,
educated
by
people. I
great
have
kind
given
of
examples
stars.
today that in a money laundering case, Yes Bank, CFO, and ED they got arrested. They have well educated. I mean, most educated person in our country.
No, 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 no,
It
no, no,
goes
no, no,
into,
no. Arey,
it is being handled by many politicians, many higher level authorities. So we can't actually see what's going on.
They have been
yes,
in money laundering
good
case.
education, good as
It has
through
proved.
see, good
Yeah.
good education does not mean that higher education. If you have done PhD and but your moral values are not good, it is not
Yeah,
the
that's
example
what
of
is
good education.
how I mean
Good,
how
good
anyone can
education
create
means
value.
uh, arey, this is I'm saying you that if you are properly educated, if you don't do the work which you should have not to do, just like you cannot involve in corruption, you should be honest, and you should respect each others. These are the known as good values. So because of these values only, any educated person comes under the category of good educated person. And then because of values.
And don't you think it takes time? It takes time to create good values, to grow values inside your brain, inside your body.
It depends
Actually, I don't.
upon person.
Actually, I
No,
don't
no,
understand your question
I'm
though.
just telling that
You are telling that,
it
see,
takes
you are telling
time.
that it will take some time.
Exactly,
But
not some, so
what
much,
is
so more time, so many years. You have to follow so many educated people, and also you have to listen your parents. You have to read a lot of books. That, or maybe you have to see other people. Then you have to use your own mind, and then somehow you can create your own values. Take example of Bhis Pitama. He has, I mean, in stories he has created his values that he's vying for celibacy for entire his life. But after 25 years, when he got education, when he just saw the world, and when he for the importance of other things, then he got. So I think it takes more time, more than years sometimes.
Yeah,
Create values.
can I add something?
Yes.
Yes. So actually, the gold will take the most time in their manufacturing and something else, if I'm using the right word. So if I talk about the value, then value of the man decides. Then so the values of the man decide the value of the man, and the value of the and if we want some good value of our own, then it will take time. Like if we want to give a birth to a human, it takes 9 months. If when we want to give a fruit to each and every person, we have to sow seeds so that a tree can be grow and we all can reap the fruits. So what is happening that the higher the goal, more will be the time. That's why we respect the persons who have value. Like we respect Mahatma Gandhi. Why? We respect Subhash Chandra Bose. Why? We respect Swami Vivekanand. Why? Because they lived, they invested their whole life, why, to create a good value. And I just want to quote one of the saying of master is that it actually it is in Hindi, so I have to quote in Hindi. So कि एक अच्छे चरित्र के निर्माण में हजारों बार ठोकर खाने पड़ते हैं. So it's
Shekhar
the
bhai, you
price
can
that we
translate into English also.
actually the feeling that with I can say in Hindi of that quote. So that's why I just didn't touch it with
Okay.
with it. So I am saying that so I just want to say that like if you buried a tree underground, then after millions of years it will convert into coal, but it will take much more the millions to convert into a gold. So how much the precious the thing is, it will take that much time. That's the thing.
Okay.
And I am not from the earlier, so I don't know what guys you are discussing. So I just used to listen your this point, so I'm responding on it.
Yeah. Okay.
You carry on.
Okay. So the few points I will add and I will make.
Yes,
Okay.
Dhruv bhai, just try to
Mr.
conclude this, because this is going to be long so much, because we have already discussed about near about
Okay,
1
yeah,
hour on this
sure.
topic.
Yeah. Okay, so no doubt, values take times, and when it comes the time you have to show your values, then like Mr. Amit Bhai has told that we are expecting something, a good life, a good money, a house, 2 BHK, and all those things, a trip for foreign. This is the only life that we expect, and this is why we work. But if we want something beyond that, then we need definitely values. But no doubt it takes time. And also now let me clear the point that money and wealth. I think even we don't need to compare both things. Why? Just because we can work equally at the same time. Why we need to work firstly for money, then we have to work for health, or just for health, then for money? So then it will be of no use. Definitely, if you are striving for food, then you have made a strong body. Then what is the use of that? At the same time, you have made a lot of money then, but you are striving through so many diseases. That what is the use of money? I think for health, we don't have to spend 18 hours, 20 hours. It is more than sufficient if we are giving it around half an hour to 1 hour, but every single day. It needs every single day. And then the example that we have given about Anil Kapoor, Amitabh Bachchan, so many people who are, and also other poor people you can see on YouTube, they have good health. Not in just 1 year, 2 years. They have did it from their maybe young, when they were at the age of 20s or 15 or 10. And this is the result that they have got. So at the same time, we had to give just half an hour, 1 hour. So we definitely need to consider our health. And the reason is also the clear. If we are more healthy, we can work more and more. If there's no point that I am making that anyone need to just agree with it. It's just a normal thing that I'm telling, and there is nothing wrong about it to get up early in the morning, go for a walk, make your health, and then start your day. Make your money. Entire 18 hours you can make money. Who is going to stop you? No one. But if you are thinking I'm going to work 18 hours, then I will, after 10 years, I will work on my health. This is not I don't think it is a good decision to make for any people, no matter you are healthy or you are a wealthy person. Also take example of your childhood. When you were born, your parents only focused on your health. No values, no money, nothing, just only health. They have given you so much food so you can be healthy, and your brain must work properly. Even our mom, before just we are coming in this earth, they see it a lot of things. So at least she has a very healthy child. So what is all about? Then definitely we can see health is more and more important. And again, I made the statement, so definitely some people are agree and some people are not. But just consider your childhood childhood time, and after at the age of 5 or 6, 7, 10 years, when we are well known about the world, about society, then we have started to create some values in our mind that this is wrong, this is right. And on the basis of what? Definitely on the basis of the act that people are doing, and also our parents are telling this is the wrong thing. If you are going to thief, this is wrong thing, this is wrong values. And if you are going to respect other people, this is, I think, good values that you have. So it takes more and more time. And what can we do for values? Definitely we need to read a books, we need to listen other people, and also we need to anything wrong that I'm speaking?
Okay, I think Sneha is also interested to speak, because she is not happy with your some of when that's why we are going to give chance to Sneha also. So Sneha, you can justify your point. Sneha.
Yeah.
Devi Charan.
It's more important thing. I would repeat. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Who says yeah?
All right.
it really?
All right. So yeah, I know that whatever examples Dhruv has given, that mom spends does so much just to give birth to a healthy child, and also many other examples. All right, but ultimately, like if I would say, parents focus more on children's education. You know why? So that we build up a career.
What kind of
We build up a
education you are
career. We
going to
can.
focus if a child is around 1 year to 3 years? What education you will give him? 1 and 2, 3 year child.
ABCD,
What
nursery,
you will give to
teaching
him?
rhymes, that kind of education. A
I think it also comes after
simple like one.
Hello, am I audible?
And for ABCD, we can teach them. We don't need any school or any nursery thing for
So
ABCD
why
part
actually
only.
I want to ask a question that why we are discussing that at the age of nursery, or when the boy and when the children is in the mother's hand, what's the need of teaching at that point of time? Wait for some time. I really don't know why we guys are discussing this.
Yes, second by you are right, because you are extending the time. We have already 40 minutes and only we have 7 minutes. Means also we are going to end up this meeting. And no one is going to
So-
come to this point because Dhruv is also speaking. Sneha is also not happy with some statement. So this
So
is
okay, so I just want to say that just add the topic for tomorrow, and we will discuss on it, so we can might get some conclusions.
Pradeep bhai,
yes,
until Sneha is convinced, we should continue this debate.
Why?
No, tomorrow or day after
No, no.
tomorrow. No problem.
I am also not convinced. I am telling that more values are for the first priority. Then will you convince me?
Include this.
Okay. Actually,
I have
sir,
given,
Silas,
I have
please.
given the example to you, Mr. Salis. If you are around 1 to 10 years, what kind of values you have? Then you have to earn, you have to make, you have to create, you have to know, you have to learn. And for that entire years, you need some food, you need some money, you need all the other things to develop your whole body and brain.
actually
There
this
are-
is
Can't say
real
it's not
debate.
right or bad.
No.
This is real debate.
No.
This is
No,
a
if a
trap.
boy, if a boy or girl is 1 to 10 year old, then we can teach that respect your children. Sorry, respect your children, respect your mother and father,
Exactly,
respect
we
your
teach them.
elder.
We teach them even at the
Sorry,
age of 5.
we teach them
Okay,
because
see,
I can say that I have.
Dhruv, see, if a person
Your
is of
values,
age of 5,
this is the
then
Then
values
whose
that have been
value?
given by your
the main
parents.
most important values
Where
are
is your
given
value?
by
Wait,
their
wait,
parents.
Talking about
wait,
where is your value?
Yeah,
If you want to become extraordinary person, that words maybe remember you after you're dying. You are not going to be famous just because of your parents given values. Take example of Chandrasekhar.
Okay.
No one parent wants his own child to die for his, I mean, just, to suit himself. He has created his own
Okay.
values. Mahatma Gandhi has created his own values. Vivekananda has created his own. So
Yes.
they have
Yes,
created their
I am
own values.
whatever you are saying is really nice. But I want to say that when you want to reap a fruit, you have to first put a seed on the ground. So what happens
Yeah,
then
then
that
it
when we
needs
teach our
time.
wait for a while, wait for a while. I'm just saying that at first we have to give the present values that we have, and the child and the person will introspect whether that values is really good at that time or it's outdated. So if he thinks that it's outdated, he will suggest some new value. So I want to say that first, even we want to go if we want to go to the moon, so first we have to know the information we have about the moon, so that we can go at the moon and we can set something new and propagate it to the world. So you might getting my point. What I want to say.
Yeah. I totally agree with you. I don't have any concern from your statement. I agree with you. Yeah.
Shekhar Suman, health, values, and wealth, which is important?
Oh, health, value, and
money,
and
wealth.
Money.
Look, it's I can say that it's a 3 stage.
One word. No, say in one word, because we listen most
of it. It's value. I can give the example of that.
Value. Okay.
Look, I can share a true story. What has happened with me? Like I worked for NGO. It's Robin Hood Army. What we do is we collect food and we distribute foods to the hunger, to the beggar. So what has happened that once a while we are distributing the food. Okay. And what has happened that in front of a lady, what I said to her that, Ma, the food has ended. What can I do for you? And now I am hungry. And I said, now I am hungry. And what she did was really marvelous. And I cannot even forget it. What she told that I will say that in Hindi, that he says that ये सब पैसा कब काम आएगा बेटा जब बाल बच्चा ही भूखा रह गया. So I want to say that a beggar has a value like a cent, and that's made his aura and something that I will remember her. Even I will lost her. I am lost myself, but I will remember her till my death, because a beggar has such guts, such value to give a person who is asking for money each and every time or in a day has the guts to give out whatever she has. So it's remarkable and it shows the value. And I have respect for that woman just because of value.
I am totally agree with Shekhar,
Okay,
bro.
okay. So finally, we got a conclusion that the values does more matter compared to health and wealth. So thank you guys for attending this hot debate. Okay, and so we are going to end up this meeting because this is now.
No,
11.
I mentioned one line. I mentioned one line over there. You just read it, okay? Because she is going to take a dinner because she wants become healthy. Cannot eat the money.
Didn't get.
No, just see the message.
Okay, sorry.
Not in WhatsApp.
So we
in Zoom.
not here. We cannot eat the money, right? See, if you have a lot of money, you cannot eat money, right?
Just for a fun. Just for a fun, can I? Okay.
No.
Sorry. Go on.
But it's a wealth. No, you'll have to give the importance to the health. What is the wealth? Okay, if you are hungry and if you're right.
So okay.
For example, if you are in one room, right, there are a lot of money, and you are an empty stomach. What is you will eat that money?
Please give that rem to me. Then I will say show you what I can do. Last question from Devi brother. From my side. Is there any relationship between Kalicharan and Devi Charan?
No, it is my name. So I used to mention only Devi, but it is complete my name, Devi Charan.
So it's such a fun.
Actually, Charan is same. Only Devi and Kali is different. Okay.
Okay. Chalo. Bye.
Okay. Good night.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.
Bye. Nice to talk to you all of you guys.
Thank you. Bye.